So in order to create a recurring task that's going to populate sooner than the day of the task, you're going to go into the database templates. And then while you're in one of the templates, you're going to click on this little three dot menu where you've got your repeat options, right? You're going to say, let's say, for example, this occurs every week. So you're going to click every week. So let's say you're a business coach or a music teacher and you have weekly sessions with your clients or students, and you want that next week's session to populate a week in advance and not the day of the session. So today is September 17th, and at this moment it is about 5 p.m. So let's say, for example, your student's lesson is over at, and we're just going to say 4:55 because that's the soonest that we'll be able to see this happen in action. So you're going to choose the day of the current lesson. So that would be today, September 17th. And then for the creation time, I'm actually going to tell it to create itself at the end of this week's session. So let's say, for example, we're going to do 4:54. Oops. Okay, we're going to do 4:50. We're going to do 4:55 because that'll be in approximately a minute, and hit save. So the one that we're setting up right now is this general YouTube long form video. That's what I just set up. And as you can see right here, there aren't any set up here right now. Okay. But when it hits 4:55, we should see that create itself right here. You can see 4:55 has hit, and we have now seen this new one add itself. Now, I don't have this set up to automatically put a date in here. So you would have to create a formula that's going to automatically populate that date for you, and that's what would make it show up on the calendar. But as far as getting it to create the task a week in advance, that's how you do it.